Hi everyone, my name is Bowen and this is my final project for CS 108, a team management system for my BU intramural soccer team, Continental FC. Alright, so here is the main page of the team management system. Starts with a large picture of all team members and following with the top team and reserve teams. There are 5 players in reserve teams for now, and they are recently joined us, so they don't have any profile yet. This page is basically where you can find everything about this team. First thing I want to do is to check a player's information. I can do either on the top teams or the reserve teams. Now I'm gonna do the top team. I want to try this player. Once I click his name, here comes out his information including the kit number, name, age, position, favorite foot, place of birth, appearance, and also MVPs that he has received during the game. Once we finish reading, we can return to the main page. Here I can try another one. Let's see this guy. This guy is actually my roommate. And while reading his profile, I found that I made 2 mistakes. I spelled his name wrong and his age was only 20 instead of 30. So I want to correct my mistake by editing his profile. I click this button and here comes out a page that asks me for a manager's passcode. This is a passcode that I set up to improve the safety of the whole system, and the passcode is 123456. I can do a very fancy swipe to unlock and confirm. So now we are on the editing page. I can re-enter his name correctly, and age was 20, and he was playing as a right back, place of birth. Once I finish, I want to click confirm. So now I want to go back to the main page and see if everything looks good now or not. Okay, both name and age has been corrected. Alright, so recently one of our player, Corbin Crew, told us that he's not gonna play for us anymore. So what I'm gonna do is to remove him from our website. In order to do that, I will click his name, go into his personal page, and down here at the bottom I can see a button called remove this player. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove this player. Once I click the button, the page comes out again and asks me for a passcode 123456. So I swipe, affirm. It shows that player has been removed. So if we go back to the page, I believe that we won't see him anymore on the page. Great. Since we have successfully removed that player, I still want to add someone new into our team in order to balance. Here is the function that I can add a player. At the bottom of this page, as you can see, here is a button called add player. And this is a function that I didn't set up any passcode so that all the people around the world can truly come to this web page and go ahead. Click this button if you're interested to join our team. Click this button, add yourself into our team. So let's say I'm a new person to this team. I want to pick favorite number 12 as my kit number, and my name is final project, and my age is 21, and I want to play defense, and my place of birth is Boston, Massachusetts, and I use right foot more often. Once finished, I click add player. Oh, here it says, sorry, the kit number already exists. Please try again. So I can't pick number 12. In that case, let's see. Okay, number 13 seems available, so I'll do it again. I picked number 13. Final project. H21. CB place verse boss. Turn MA. Right-footed player. Okay, this time succeeded. So if we go back to the page, I will definitely see myself down here in the reserves. Now we can take a look. By clicking his name, we can see all his information showing up here on his personal page. And one thing to notice is that his appearance time and MVPs received by him are both 0 because he just joined our team and hasn't played any games yet. Besides managing players' information, this team management system also collects the records of all games that we have played. So if you click the button down here at the bottom called Table of Matches, you'll see all 8 games throughout history that we had played. For example, number 1, we played with Fake Madrid and we won the game. The MVP player was number 9, Scott Shepherd, and the score was 6-2. Let's go back. If I want to add a new game into the table of matches, I can simply click the button here called Add a Game Record, and again I have to input my passcode. Oops, my passcode was wrong, so I have to redo it. Alright, okay, so now we are at a new page that I can add a game record into the match table. So let's say we played against CS108 Dream Team. Perfect. And there, because CS108 was so good, so we lost the game, and the score was 0-3. And here it says I have to pick 6 players that were playing the game. So I really want to add the new player into the game and randomly pick another 5 guys. So there are 6 players that has played the game, and I want to add the new player, Final Project, as the MVP in our team. Even though we lost the game, we still have an MVP in our team. So once I finish that, I click confirm, and it says succeed, a new match has been added. So let's go back and see. If we go to the table of matches, yeah, we'll see the number 9 game play against the CS108 Dream Team, and we lost. The MVP was number 13, Final Project, and the score was 0-3. So now let's take a look at his profile again. We're going to see the appearance becomes 1 and MVP received becomes 1. Thank you very much.